Just an ordinary song, special girl like you, from a simple guy so in love with you.
Lamig! Ginawa ko, pre!
Hindi ko na alam yung lyrics ko mamaya.
Actually, di ba sabi nila, ang love daw, hindi mo talaga siya ma-explain. Kung ano yung reason kung bakit siya yung binigay sa'yo. Basta, parang feeling mo, pag kita mo parang sa kanya, ay, ito na yung mapapangasawa ko. Hindi nila alam yun, kuya eh. Sa inyo. Parang nuuna ako yata.
Sometime nagkita kami, din yun. Crush niya ako nun eh.
Huwag kang matakot, di mo pa alam, nandito lang ako sa iyong tabi, di kita papabayaan.
Kasi sabi ko nun, ang gusto ko sa lalaki, bago ko siya sagutin, kasi first boyfriend ko po siya. Tapos, ang gusto ko, pag sasagutin ko siya, haharanahin niya ako.
I want to stick dun siguro sa very culture ng Pilipino na noong unang panahon, kailangan kapag ka nanligaw ka sa babae, is culture na ng Pilipino na kapag niligawan mo, haharanahin mo.
Hinarana ka naman.
Sa marikit ko.
Huwag kang matakot na umibig at lumuha, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot. Huwag kang matakot, dahil ang buhay mo'y walang katapusan.
Bibigay ko ba kay Ate Hana?
Kapangyarihan
Sir Hazel, tinanggap mo ba si Brother Aaron na maging mong asawa at ikaw ay mangangako sa Diyos at sa mga saksi na narito ngayon na siya rin ay iyong pakakamahalin hanggang sa ang kamatayan ang maghiwalay sa inyong dalawa? Mahina, no?
I do po, I do.
matakot na matulog mag-isa, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot na umibig at lumuha, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot na magmukhang tanga, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot sa
I pray that you will not stop believing and serving the Lord. Dahil alam ko, pag siyang inuna mo, mas mamahalin mo ako, pati na rin ang future kids natin. I may not be the best wife. Dahil marami akong flaws, pero... Flaws? Flaws? Pero dahil wala ka naman choice, ako pa din ang makakasama mo hanggang sa huling hinaga mo. Kasi yari ka kay Lord.
pa alam, nandito lang ako. Huwag kang matakot, di mo pa alam, nandito lang ako. Sa iyong tabi, di mo pa alam, nandito lang ako. Makapangyarihan, di kita papabayaan kailanman. Dito lang ako, di kita papabayaan kailanman.
Hi to my best friend, my business partner, and my first and last boyfriend, and now to my husband. Others may not know, but this month marks 12 years of our partnership. And today we begin a new chapter, one where we are no longer two, but truly one.
I once told myself, whoever I will bring here before this holy altar will be the first and the last. The woman my family will know, the woman my pastor will bless, the woman who will be called Tita by my nieces and nephews, and someday Mommy by our children. Today is not an ordinary day, it is sacred. A day that makes not just our union, but the beginning of a story written by the hands of God Himself.
At sa tagal ng ating pagsasama, lumalalim pang nadarama. Kaya naman napapabalik tanaw. Sa dinami-rami ng mga tao, sa hinaba-haba ng panahon, sa nilawak-lawak ng mundo, nahanap kita.
We stand here, two souls, once walking separate paths, now made one under the mighty hand of the Lord. The silent battles we faced, the tears unseen, the heartaches only heaven heard, they were not for nothing. For through it all, Jesus was our refuge, our rescuer, our faithful friend. As I look at you now, I see not just the woman I love, but the answered prayer I once whispered in faith. And so today, I make not just a vow, but a prayer before the Lord. That I will love you as Christ has loved me, that I will carry you when the weight of life is heavy, that I will protect you, cherish you, and lead you always toward Him who gave us His life.
Napapabalik tanaw.
But kidding aside, I promise to love you in the bright days and stand by you through the storms, to hold your hand when the road is rough, to celebrate your victories and to lift you when you're low. I will always be your number one kontrabida and your forever kakampisan. I pray that whatever problems we may face, we will only seek guidance from the Lord. I hope na hindi tayo aabot sa pastor's office para magpa-cancel, but rather we should be His helper in the ministry. I promise to be your partner in serving the Lord. Most of all, kasamahan kita na po din ang pangarap ng Toyota GRS. And just as Jesus continually chooses us, I will choose you in every lifetime, yesterday, today, and forever. Amen.
Nung tinanong ako ni Pastor, Brad, anong balak mo? Kailan ka magpapakasal? Pastor, ito na po yun. February 7, 2025 in documents, but October 16, 2025 here in Tabernacle Baptist Church. The date I will always cherish. As it is written in Joshua 24:15, as for me and our future house, we will serve the Lord. So here before God, our families, our friends, and our church, I surrender this love to His will, you, me, and Jesus, forever one, forever this.
Sa dinami-rami ng pwedeng mangyari,